Come with me as we explore the lawsuit from the Quinault Indian Nation, you're probably pronouncing that wrong, against Valve Corporation. Yes, that Valve Corporation. Quinault is a federally recognized sovereign Indian nation consisting of the Quinault and Queets tribes and descendants of 5 other coastal tribes, the Quailhuet, the Ho, the Chehalis, the Chinook, and the Cowlitz. It is comprised of 3,120 tribal members and has federal trust land in Grays Harbor, Jefferson counties, and tribal members who reside in these counties, and a state-licensed casino. Valve is a Washington-based video game and online content platform company which does business in this county. Does not have a license to operate any form of gambling whatsoever. But they began selling digital items called skins that could be, and in fact were, sold and exchanged for real money or property. Skins became the primary currency used by illegal, unregulated, and unlicensed online gambling websites, and Valve profited handsomely. Valve facilitated illegal, unregulated, and unlicensed online gambling of skins in numerous ways. Valve sold users a token called a key for $2.50, the only purpose of which was to allow users to engage in gambling through opening crates to win virtual items that were worth much more than the value of the token, or to win virtual items with virtually no value. The look, feel, sound, and experience was basically an online slot machine, as seen in the following YouTube videos. From August 2013 to July 2016, Valve had actual knowledge of the identity of Valve accounts that gambling websites used. Valve allowed gambling websites to use Valve accounts. Valve provided technical support, refused to shut down the system, refused to use blacklists. The above actions violate Washington law, harmed the nation, providing Quinault Nation standing to bring the causes of action below through this complaint. Specifically, Valve's conduct violates the nation's rights under the gaming compact between the Quinault Nation and the state of Washington. Valve is engaging in unfair competition with legally licensed regulated gambling operations. Individual consumers, including teenagers, brought class action lawsuits against Valve in courts in Washington, but were sent to arbitration as individual cases pursuant to class action waiver buried in Valve's subscriber agreement. After these arbitrations, with limited discovery, the consumers were told that because they, as teenagers, knowingly gambled online illegally, they could not recover for their losses. These arbitrators ruled that skins were a thing of value in that what the users were doing was gambling and was illegal, and therefore the teenagers could not recover as a matter of law. As a licensed operator of gaming facilities in Washington, the nation must incur costs, expenses, and efforts to ensure strict compliance with all gaming laws and regulations. Neither Valve nor internet gambling sites using Valve's virtual items abide by those gaming laws and regulations, and consumers and the nation have been harmed as a result. Valve's actions to facilitate those websites and profit from it while its customers are scammed by fraudulent websites shows the importance of strict regulation and the consequences of Valve's conduct. The nation brings these causes of action strictly pursuant to Washington state law. Now, nowhere herein does plaintiff plead expressly or implicitly any cause of action, request any remedy which is founded upon Valve's violation of federal law. The issues, okay, so there, that's the main crux of the lawsuit. Let's see if there's anything else in here worthy of looking. But so far, that's what we're talking about, is since there's no apparent remedy for the children who were illegally gambling, I guess, maybe the casino, which is legally licensed and all that, maybe they'll have a little bit better time. Let's see, they go into the basic rights of the Quinault Tribal Gaming Agency. They were given these rights in 1996 when a compact was signed. The casino spends lots of money on compliance, is the important part here. That Valve knows about its gambling and profits from it, and hasn't done anything, at least not during the times alleged here, to stop or stem the gambling. They go on to compare the opening of cases or skins from boxes, loot boxes for $250 apiece. I liken it to gambling. Valve takes 15% fee on CSGO skins sold through its website or marketplace. The skins can be won, bought, traded, sold. Skins are like casino chips, according to the Kinalt Nation. They are a thing of value. Users can sell skins for money. Arbitrators have ruled such. So we're still establishing that these things are valuable. Users deposit real money into Valve's website, connect that real money to a nominal third-party website where users can participate in various forms of gambling, then cash out their account balances, converting skins into real money. All these gambling transactions between users and third-party gambling websites actually take place on Valve servers because the skins are never actually transferred from Valve servers and computer systems. So they allege a violation of the Consumer Protection Act under Washington law. So this is a purely state law claim, it looks like. Tortious interference with a contract that they have, that Kinalt has a contract with the state of Washington, that Valve is negligent, that it owes a duty to use reasonable care to prevent illegal, unlicensed gambling. And they also want a declaratory judgment that skins gambling is still operating and is illegal. So they're asking for damages, restitution, injunctive relief, declaratory relief, attorney's fees, costs, interest, and all other fees or all other relief the court deems just and proper.
I take issue with the way that they described it technically. I don't think that that's exactly how it works. Like, you can't transfer money from Steam somewhere else. Once it's in Steam, that's it.
Yeah. So I don't know. They're saying that that because Valve was aware of the gambling and profiting from it in part, that it's somehow in the chain of conspirators or chain of people participating in the gambling. And since it knows about it and didn't take action to stop it, that it's complicit.
The thing is, Valve does take action to stop stuff like that.
Recently, they've started.
I lost money a year and a half ago because I was selling a Dota skin on a third-party website, and all of the bots for the website were banned while my skin was with them. Like, I know that's like one of those.
It might be too late for this lawsuit. The lawsuit is saying more like 2014, 2016.
Yeah. And of course, that's one person's story, so
Yeah. We're not. This is the plaintiff's side. This is not a vetted. This is not a court ruling or something that's saying that a lawsuit has been filed. All right, and that's our show, everybody. Thank you for joining me for this special Easter edition of the Lawful Masses Sunday show. Thank you very much to all of our supporters. This is a community-supported channel here, Lawful Masses, your legal education channel of choice. Thank you to our April 2019 supporters, which now include sponsus.org supporters, Twitch subscribers, Patreon patrons, and very shortly will include YouTube join button subscribers. I don't know how you word that. Thank you to our $50 plus supporters: John Steele, Gavin Barnard, Eevi, Andy, Kyle Mudrak, Verement, Tayne, Michael Pearce, Terry Crisp, Richard Fournier, Spirit Bear, Jan Negrey, Daniel Perez, Aspernari, Snorre Wisotzky, Sean McNamara, Aetaric, and thank you very much to the $5 plus supporters who have been scrolling on the not flickering LED panel behind me. I think I fixed it this morning, and will be scrolling on the crawl at the end of the thing here over my face. So we'll bring you some dog video here for the last minute and a half of this song. Love you very much. I'm Leonard French, your favorite copyright attorney. Have a good week, my lawful masses. I'll see you in the videos that drop.